If you're experiencing controller drift in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. This guide will help you identify the problem and apply the necessary solutions. Step 1. Check controller calibration. Ensure that your controller is properly calibrated. Go to your console or PC settings and find the controller settings. Follow the prompts to recalibrate your controller, which can help resolve drift issues. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dirt and debris can cause joystick drift. Use a soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the joystick and buttons. Make sure to avoid excessive moisture and let it dry completely before using it again. Step 3. Update firmware. Check if your controller has any firmware updates available. Connect your controller to your console or PC and look for updates in the settings menu. Keeping your controller updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Adjust dead zone settings. In Cyberpunk 2077, navigate to the settings menu and adjust the dead zone settings for your controller. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate drift by requiring more movement before the game registers input. Step 5. Test with another game. To determine if the issue is specific to Cyberpunk 2077 or your controller, try using it with another game. If the drift persists across multiple games, the problem may be with the controller itself rather than the game. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift in Cyberpunk 2077. If the problem continues, consider seeking professional repair or replacement options for your controller.